Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful session with me, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to design this beautiful Christmas design flyer in Photoshop. And also I want to say Merry Christmas to every one of us, and thank you for your support for me on this channel in 2025, and I hope you are going to do more in coming 2026. Thank you so much. And if you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post awesome video like this. Also like this video, share it with your friend, and comment how you feel about this design. This is the only way you can help my channel to grow and to reach larger audience. In a few minutes time we get this design done, so make sure you stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So let's get started. So we start by giving our project a name, and we are going to name it Christmas design. We go by this sentence 2000 by 2000 and the resolution is 300. So I'm going to change the background to transparent. So when we are done with this, then we click on create. Awesome. So I'm going to start importing the image that we're going to use for the background, and this is the image. Alright, so we click OK. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to filter, I'm going to blur it. So blur, Gaussian blur. I'm just going to add little blur to it. Let me just increase it to 1.9. Alright. So the next thing I'm going to do, I will go to adjustment layer, then I will go to edge and saturation. I'm just going to add saturation 50. Okay, so I will leave it like that. Then I want to add I want to darken some parts, so I will go to adjustment layer, then go to gradient, then I'm going with this, then I will click OK. So I'm going to click on this part, the white part, and I press B on my keyboard to bring out my brush tool. Then I'm going to get rid of, I will change this, major the foreground color is on black. I want to get rid of some parts. I don't want it to be black. I need the darker part on this side alone. I will reduce the opacity. It's too much. Let me leave it as 70. Awesome. I think that's okay. So I'm going to group it. Ctrl G to group, and I will name it background. Now I'm going to lock this one so that it will not be moving around. So the next thing we are going to do is to work on our text. So first thing, let me import this Christmas. Mark. Alright, so I want to make it more bold, so I'm going to add stroke to it. Go to effect, then I click on stroke. So this is the color I'm using. Let me show you the color code. Just red, FF0000, FF0000. So, and outside the size is 2, then I click OK. Alright, so I like it like this. So the next thing we are going to work on is on Merry So I'm going to use on our keyboard to bring out the rectangle tools. I'm going to draw something like this here. I'm going to change the color to this. Alright, I'm going to show you the color code for this. Alright, V on our keyboard. Let me show you the color code. And this is the color code for the green, in case you want to use it. Okay, so next thing, I'm going to see on our keyboard. We are going to write Mary. Mary. Then I'm going to increase it to 22. Maybe 20. Let me leave it at 24 too. 24 too is okay. Then I'm semi-bold or bold. Even bold is okay. Then mark. Even on our keyboard. Nice. So I'm going to work on the text. I'm going to write the text that I'm going to be using. So see on our keyboard, I'm going to create a rectangle like this. Okay, so let me reduce the size to 8. Okay, I think 8 is better. So let me copy the text and I'm going to paste it. Ctrl V to paste. Then I'm going to adjust it like this. I think it's okay like this. So because I want to make the text visible and to be more readable, so I'm going to create a layer under the text. Then P on our keyboard, let me off the cap lock, and I'm going to reduce the flow to something around this, and make sure the foreground color is black, and I'm going to do something like this so that one will be able to read it well. Okay, it's okay, but I think it's too much, so I'm going to reduce the opacity. I think 50 is okay, and this is cool. So with this, I'll be able to read the text very well, and everything is working fine. So let me just group this, and I'll name it test. Ctrl G to group and test. Okay, so next thing, I'll work on the social media and the contact. So see on our keyboard, like this. Awesome. So let me do this one as I will group it as Ctrl G contact. Alright, so next thing I'm going to go to my gallery. I'm going to import this my logo and place it here. Alright, I move it to this side. And I'm done. Our design is done and we are ready. We are good to go. And I'm cool with this. So the next thing, I'm just going to give it a finishing touch. I'll go um, to color balance. I'm going to add little red, little red. Okay, and I'm cool with this. So Alt Shift, Ctrl Shift E on our keyboard. So I'm going to change this one to soft light. Since soft light is too much. Okay, let me use soft light and I'm going to reduce the opacity. Let's see what we get. Alright, I think I'm cool with this. I like this. I like this. So this is cool and this makes sense with me. I think you enjoy it too. And with this, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you are able to gain value from this tutorial today. And thanks for watching this tutorial to the end. Please don't forget to like, share, and also comment how you feel about this design. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget, keep creating, keep engaging, keep learning. Bye for now.